we starting off the day by smashing the Buick. And take this shovel. We're gonna see what kind of damage we can do to this 1955. Let's go.
Yeah!
You got knocked the fuck out!
This is what our Walmart workers be doing when we ain't got nothing to do at work. You ready?
No, no, no!
What do you mean no?
No!
Why?
I love this!
Oh, okay. Alright, we're not smashing the Buick today, we're selling the Buick today. Honestly, that's about equal. We just get money out of it. So, anyway. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna hit this.
No!
Really?
Yes!
Why?
No!
Please?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, guys. You heard it from him. Alright, so Vinny's kid's passing in his school bus, and this is the kind of parents he is. Yeah. But we're gonna be standing on the side of the road, making a video of him coming passing the bus while we're acting like idiots. I got my tool. Yeah. Today's the day. Shouldn't have went on a school trip, Vincent. We got you in style. Welcome to HAZLETINTS.
There he is! Yo, we gotta run out like villagers.
What's up, boys? It's your boy coming back with another flawless video here. Let's get started today, and I have a little bit of a recap. Our week's been literally like spiraling out of control because we have a little bit of work, then we have no work. We have a little bit of work, then no work. It's just a nest, like we kind of did videos at the wrong time of the year. But regardless, you know, we did this paint correction on this Tesla, and then I got a little bit of a recap of something sad. That's pretty much what this video is gonna be. Probably one of our favorite cars that we have ever owned. We let go. Listen, numbers talk. And sometimes you gotta let things go that you don't wanna go because business is business. So we bought the car to make a profit. We made a huge profit on it. And we took the risk, and sorry about that. Had to delete some footage. Camera ended up running out of storage. But I'm very sad. And yeah, we gotta recap the videos of letting our 1955 Buick go. So let's get started in this video, guys. So let's go and let's see this very sad moment. Super sad moment today, and they don't want us to say it's just another day because it's just another sad day, but our 55 Buick is leaving the fleet. This guy back here, he's sad. He blurred out, but he's sad. Yeah, he's sad. Honestly, I think he's angry.
I am more angry. I'm way more angry.
He's mad at somebody giving us an offer. Alright, well,
A towel.
let's start this video off today and let's talk about this car a little bit. And here and there I got maybe some clips throughout my phone that, you know, when we got it, you know, it was only been a couple months cruising around, the experience of owning a 55. It was pretty awesome owning a 55, had 25, so let's go. That's the towel that I have to ship out.
You're not selling this towel.
Yeah. His beard is weird.
He MGK'd himself.
Yeah. Look at, he didn't even shave properly, bro. Look, he still left the hair on the face. Alright, so one of our customers is actually buying this, but we're cleaning up the car just because we had it under a car cover. And it is the middle of November, so luckily it didn't see any snow, but it did get some water and stuff on it, condensation. But we're cleaning it up just because we want the car to leave fresh for the guy, and you know, hopefully he gets some enjoyment out of it. And if he ever wants to sell it, I think we're probably gonna jump back on board on that one. So, but
You ain't gonna sell it back to us.
what?
You're gonna offer him 25% of the money he offered you.
I seriously will probably offer him $4,000. But all right, let's look over this car a little bit. All right, guys, this is our 1955 Buick Super. It's a 4-door, it's not a 2-door. I don't really get the hype about 2-doors. They look the same, but I'm probably gonna get yelled at in the comments about that. You know, but looking over this car, 1955. It is clean, and it did have a restore a couple years back from an older guy. We ended up purchasing
1991 model, cleaning it right now.
Yeah. But I'm gonna get some videos of the inside for you guys just to see what it is, how clean this car is, and just generally for memories for us. Guys, this is our interior for the 55. Super clean also, besides some damage that Vinny decided to do when he was polishing.
Yeah, suck a dick. Suck a dick. Why don't you come clean, Ethan?
Well, that's what happened in the first place. I don't want to do the damage you did.
Come clean, Ethan.
I never broke anything. I'm gonna say Ryan's favorite thing. I plead the fifth. I personally don't even know what that means because I do not know our Bill of Rights. So.
No.
So this video is not going to be super long. We'll try to make the most of it. It's just a very upsetting day, and we gotta see this car go. And I'm about to get whipped by Vinny, but I'm sorry that you guys didn't get a lot of.
Whip him!
I'm sorry. All right, blooper one.
Oh,
Boop. Oh my God.
he's just blooping it.
All right. Well, anyway, gonna miss the car. And we didn't get a lot of content with the car. There was nothing much we can do about it, man, besides us cruising around in the car. But whatever comes next comes next. Building, property, another car. I don't know. Me and him get itchy when we need to. Well, guys, we're waiting for the guy to get back from test driving the Buick, and then we're gonna go over to the notary and sell it. But in the meantime, we're getting the VELOSTER all cleaned up since we went on our trip to Canada. It got a little dirty on the inside and just from sitting outside, and then we got the snow tires on, so I'll show you that when we get back. But we're heading over to my house to grab the title, and then we're gonna go over to the notary. Alrighty guys, Buick is sold and Buick is out of here, so we're gonna miss her. Last time we're gonna see her, we'll probably see her driving around town or at some shows. Whatever trophies he wins at the shows though, we get them, we claim them. We're chasing down our Buick. Gotta get last footage of it.
Can't let it go.
We'll tell Jimmy somebody else ended up just dropping her off at Harry's.
This is some cool footage of it though.
Bye. Guys, he forgot to show you guys the snow tires on the VELOSTER, so I'm gonna show you. How's that sound? So, right here. Yes, sir. Look at that. And then we come over here. Yes, sir. Finally put it on, guys. But look at this wrap. Look at that Mortal Kombat. Yes, sir. And then look at the women's restroom. Oh, wait. Oops, that's the men's. Oopsie.
So guys, I'm editing out a video right now, and I don't know what's going on, but I'm getting bullied right now. Harassed. Like, what the heck? But anyway, let's continue on to the next clip because, yeah, I just keep getting bullied. So, at this point, I just gotta accept it. Let's go.
Oh, and guys, he says he's on a diet. Let's just show this real quick. What's that, Mr. Just Another Day? Caught you in 4K.
Coming to you live from HAZLETINTS. We on time. And it's just another day where Ethan is late.
Well, it's a day later. Buick's gone. Not officially for 24 hours, but we got our check right here. You know? $13,800 for a car that we spent $5 grand on.
Not bad for some fucking Walmart associates.
Yes, sir. So, take the risk is all I can tell you. You never know how it's gonna go. Let's go cash the check, boys and girls. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna end off the clips here today. I hope you enjoyed everything that we got going on with the randomness, the sadness, and the funny skits. But I just want to say I gotta do one more thing before we end, and we just gotta go out with the bang. It's just what it is. But we're gonna do a cinematic on the Buick, and that's gonna be our outro for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and deuces, people.